Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your router and Nordvpn account. Sign in and copy credentials. That lets the router authenticate. Once done, check router compatibility. OpenVPN or WireGuard is required because consoles can't run VPN clients. Make sure firmware is current, then connect a PC to the router so you can log into the router admin page. You need the gateway IP and LAN addressing to avoid conflicts. This ensures Xbox traffic will route through the VPN when we configure the tunnel in the next step. Now you install NordVPN on the router. Log into the admin interface and open the VPN client section, choosing OpenVPN or WireGuard depending on your router. Upload NordVPN config files or paste the credentials. Configure DNS to NordVPNs or a private resolver to prevent leaks. Then create a policy route for the Xbox. Reserve the console's IP via DHCP and force its traffic through the VPN while leaving other devices untouched if you prefer split tunneling. Finally, connect the Xbox and verify the VPN is working. Reserve or set a static IP for the console so the router policy applies, then join the router's network. Use the Xbox browser to check the visible IP address and DNS, or inspect the router's VPN status and logs to confirm the tunnel is active. If something goes wrong, reboot the router and Xbox, re-upload or re-download the NordVPN config, and try the alternative VPN protocol. That typically resolves routing or handshake failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.